cats and dogs. Helen here. Holly got me a little gift, so I thought I would show it to everybody. It is a Dreamer's design. And as you see, the plastic's still all over it. You got your directions on your back, what comes in the box, your information here, handle if you keep it in the box. Scan me for 15% off. All your features. And on the end is the information. It is Sunset Dreams. The design size is 80 by 60 centimeters or 31.5 by 23.6 inches. And I'm just going to get into it and I'll show you it when I get it out. I'm not going to give you the little sneak peek at the end of the box. I'm just going to make you have to wait for me to open it up and take it out. The excitement builds. Okay. Oh, I collect their bags. I love their bags. They're so pretty. Okay, nothing else in the box. Let's move the box out of our way. And it comes in this nice canvas bag. I love their bags. I mean, I keep their bags even after I do the drawings. Pretty purple bow. The bows I don't keep. Those I usually, the granddaughters usually take it. So let's open it up. It has the real soft canvases with the scallop edges, tray, frills. Running out of room here. Yeah, running out of room. So, won't be able to put it all on there. So, we have the pretty drawing. It is a square. Isn't that pretty? Look at the lighthouse and the sailboat. Oh, it's my fave. So this is all stickers, of course. You can use it for your logbook, start date, end date. And there's your stickers for kitting up. It has 68 colors. It has 1, 2, 3 ABs and 3 diamond dust. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so let's set that aside. And then here is your instruction books on how to diamond paint, your thank you, tips and tricks, instructions, and 15% off next purchase. And there you go for that. Nice and all cobbleated. And our TIG toolkit in this nice pouch. Nice pretty velvet soft pouch, which I probably have a bunch of these around too because I collect them all. And then the pretty pink light tray. So all your basics. You get a single placer, sparkly pen. You get the specialty for your ABs. You get the tweezers. Just be careful, these are the sharp ones. And then let's get this out of here and I'll show you the tray. Pretty pink tray with a divider so you can make it 2 trays, spout to pull it. Okay, then you get your bags. And then you get 2 squishies, which I give to my granddaughters for school. And then you get, I think it's a 7-placer, a 3-placer, and a straightener. And then you get 2 tubs of wax, which has 2 in each. Just remember to take off the plastic. If I can even do it, take the plastic off if you use the wax. This is everything you will need to finish this drawing. Now everybody's different. Some people has their own special stuff. Look at all those drills. And if you separate them, it tells you that this is for this drawing, Sunset Dreams. Isn't that pretty? It's going to be some pretty, pretty, pretty. And of course I flip it and it's the wrong way. And this kind of got messed up here, but on this side here you have all their social channels, all their information. You have a legend here. Then you have down here at the bottom, Dreamers. Paint with Passion. And then over here you have their support for lifetime warranty. And then you have another legend over here. And then here you have a thumbnail with their information on, I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce this name and I'm not going to hack it. Your barcode, your size, and the name of the drawing. Like I said, my table's not that big, so got some pretty birds, some houses, some trees, your lighthouse, and you have the sun setting, some more birdies, some boats, some water. This is nice thick paper here, nice and sticky. Let's see if we can look at the canvas, the drill drill symbols, really nice. The canvas, like I said, it's really soft, it's really beautiful. And let's see, the moon or sun, because it's sunset, so sun, is all done in diamond dust. The outer portion here is just regular drills. You got all the white in here. This is all diamond dust up here in where the light's at. And let's see, what else do we have going on here? Okay, so we have in the, seeing if where else we have some specials going on here. Of course, I'm not finding anything. Okay, so in the houses, so we got some fairy dust and right in here. Where else do we have some stuffers? Let's get up here in the sky and see if we can find any pretties up in the sky. We do have some fairy dust in the trees, the leaves of the trees, and we have some ABs also. And back to the lighthouse, because I don't know why I didn't finish with the lighthouse, start with the lighthouse and keep going on the lighthouse. Duh me. So all this red in here is a mixture of ABs and fairy dust. So this is going to be really pretty up in the sky. It's a little mixture of everything also. Let's get to the fun stuff. What we all want to see, other than just the canvas. All these pretty colors. So, and it's a lot, so I'm going to hopefully be able to get to, wow, there's a lot of oranges, lots of pinks, lots of bright pinks, pale pinks, some purples, there's some greens. Trying to see if I can pull out our specialty drills. And am I having any luck on that? Absolutely not. Okay, here we go. This is a pretty. This is our first AB. That's a really pretty pink. And do we have any other ones in with that one? Of course not. Okay, what about here? Open up here. Here is our first diamond dust in yellow. Here's a pretty one in 5200. and then 666. Them are all fairy dust, the 3 fairy dust. And then we have the 742 in AB and 603 in AB and the 03 in AB. So those are our 6 specialty drills. So that is going to be very pretty. I can't wait to see what it looks like having that fairy dust in there. I wish they would have done this here in AB and fairy dust all the way around the shining there. But they didn't do a lot. Just the moon or the sun. Since the sunset, that would be the sun. So only I would keep messing that up. So yeah, you got it all in these trees that you're going to have ABs and fairy dust. You're going to have ABs and fairy dust in the beagle. And let's see, where else do we have some of these pretties? We got it in here, through here, and through here. So yeah, this one here, we got it all through here. This water's going to sparkle, the sky's going to sparkle, the flowers are going to sparkle. It's just going to be all pretty full. You got it in the flowers here. These drills, like there's 68, so I'm not going through all 68. I showed you the 6 most important ones, your ABs and your fairy dust. And whereabouts is that? But yeah, this will be probably a next year project. I don't know. I think I'm going to do what a lot of people are doing. I'm going to put all my squares on a wheel, all my rounds on a reel, and by size, all that stuff. And I'm going to do it for that from now on. Because I have a lot of beach themes, lighthouse themes, and cottages and landscapes, and I just can never decide on which one I want to do. So I hope you like this video. I know it's short and sweet, but if you have any questions or anything, just let me know. Thank you. Bye.